My name is Candace LeMay. I am an administrative coordinator at Southeastern Louisiana University in Hammond, Louisiana.
We have been working with a system for 20 years. We were just using a Google spreadsheet. I had a lot of little tabs at the bottom for each shop, and it was just all there. And we used that until we went live February 24th.
So when we first started, it was just, the basic module, to get us started and everything. We were like, we're just gonna start off with a few shops at first. Housing was gonna be one, and then our HVAC, because those supervisors were really gung-ho about it. And then it was like, we did it for a couple hours, and I was like, nope, we're going full force. Everybody's going, no more Google spreadsheet. The impact I can see TMA having on Southeastern moving forward, there's more efficiency, especially in housing. Because like I said, if it's like, man, that room number sounds familiar, it's very easy to run that report and say, hey, y'all been there 5 times. We need to figure out what's going on. To be able to basically build this one with all the information, and also to see how easy it is to add a building, to add a PM. If the guys don't like how that PM comes out, it's like, well, we can change it. It's really not that big of a deal. It's a couple clicks, I'll change it, next month you're set. You had some who were a little hesitant, and then you had others who were like, oh, this is so exciting. Hey, can I come up there and show you what I learned? So they were coming up there and showing me stuff. Here we are a year and a few months later, and we've already gotten 2 more modules. So I think from here on out, it's just improvements. Improvements for us, improvements for the university in general, and just making it overall better for everybody. Because, the students are why we're there. So if we can make it better for them, then our mission's accomplished.